Hello my friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Artem Voronov. I'm lighting designer and DIALux EVO trainer. In this video I'm going to show you how to make this bed lighting calculation in DIALux EVO. In the previous lessons I show you how to make this smooth and soft cove lighting in bedroom. In this video I'm going to show you how to make these bed lights with photometric files and also with 3D model. First of all, let's delete these files to start making it again. I click on it and click on delete button on my keyboard. Then I'm going to my website where I have a photometric file and also I have 3D model here. So click on this link to ES file and then let's download it. I already downloaded it, but for you I'm downloading it again, and then you should drag and drop it to your DIALux EVO file. Okay, so this file is right here. If I click on this display option, but I can show or hide my light visualization. So I'm going to hide it. And then using this blue arrow, I'm going to drag it down to 1 meter. I have this position parameter here, and I click here to 1 meter, enter, and I have my luminaire here. Then I can show my light visualization and drag to this red arrow right here and go to my top view. And here I can see how my light distributes. So I can click on rotation function and then rotate my luminaire. But when my client come to me to my online consultation, I usually prefer to make more realistic calculation using this 3D model. So let's click on it and let's download it. I already downloaded it before, so I should go just to my folder, and here you have plenty of 3D formats. You have here 3D Max format, but in DIALux EVO we use 3ds format. So I click on with my left button and drag my 3ds model right to DIALux EVO window, and here I have really gigantic model. So because usually when people work in AutoCAD or when people work in 3D Max, so units, there are millimeters. In DIALux EVO we have meters, so we should change scale. So let's go to this parameter window and click here 0.089, here 0.117, and here click 0.110. Okay, so now I have my 3D model here, and I click to rotation button and I rotate my model right to 90 degrees, and then I click to move. I'm going to place it right on the 1 meter height and go up to my top view, and here I just take it to the wall. Okay, now we have this nice 3D model, and then I click on my photometric file, go to my this is right view, and then I just transfer it to the right position. So okay, now I'm going to move it a little bit to the left. Now I have my 3D model and photometric file here. If you need these DIALux EVO files, so you can download it from our Telegram Light and Design International Community chat. So I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to put link to this model right in the description of this video, so you can download it if you want, and you can join our Light and Design Community International and you can ask their questions. Now I'm going to copy my 3D model and my photometric file, so I click on the model and then Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and drag with my right arrow right to the left. I'm just going to put it here, right in the middle of this box, and then I'm going to click to my photometric file, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and then move my photometric file here. Okay, so well, now I have my bed lights here. Okay, let's click to the calculation. It's calculating. If you want to order lighting design project or lighting design calculation, so you can write me. I'm going to put my contact in the description of this video. So I have these lighting. Let's check how many lux we have here. We have here about 2,500 lux. So a lot of people think that it's too much, but in real, just because you don't see this glaring effect from the luminaire, you don't see this point. So these 2,000 lux, not too much. I'm going to show you an example which I saw in the hotel. Right here in the hotel, you have about 2,000 lux right on your pillow, and as you can see, it's not too much. Even if all the general lighting is switched off, this is quite comfortable lux level for reading and just for laying and watching some videos on your smartphone. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, you can write a comment down below. Also, I have all the links and link to our international light design community chat right into the description of this video, so you can join it. Okay, give the thumbs up and click the bell icon not to miss out new videos, and see you in my new tutorials.